Hi everybody, this is the original Josh with Dirt Killer Pressure Washers, and today we're introducing to you the General Pump model TP2530G. This pump is rated for a maximum of 2,500 psi and a max of 2.88 gallons per minute. It has a 3/4 inch hollow shaft and is rated for gasoline engines from 5 to 7 horsepower. This triplex pump has a forged brass valve housing, an external unloader valve, an inlet strainer assembly, a pressure relief valve, and a thermal relief valve. The external unloader valve is a benefit because when unloader valves fail catastrophically, they need to be replaced. This unit can be replaced, whereas integrated unloader valves would require an entire pump replacement. This Pulsar unloader valve also has an integrated easy start, so it's easier to start your engine without having to squeeze the trigger while doing so. The inlet assembly has a sight glass so that you can see the screen, so that when it starts to fill with debris, you can tell when it needs to be cleaned out. Your pressure relief valve protects the operator from overpressure and can be adjusted for certain applications. And the thermal relief valve protects the pump in the event of an extended period bypass. Once the pump water exceeds 140 degrees Fahrenheit, the thermal relief valve will discharge water, allowing fresh water to enter the pump and cool the plungers back down. The plumbing on the input and output are angled so to accommodate the frame bars on most modern pressure washer frames, and comes with both a quick disconnect socket and a quick disconnect plug so that you can configure the output for whatever your system calls for. The hardware kit comes with bolts to install it onto your engine, as well as a breather dipstick. The breather dipstick should be installed before running the pump because the pump comes with oil and the shipping plug will not breathe, so you need to replace this plug with this cap before operation. Your pump also comes with a sight glass so that you can see your oil level and condition, so make sure to check that frequently so that you can tell how the pump is running. So there you go, you have the TP2530G. If you have any questions, reach out to us at dirtkiller.com. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. This is the original Josh. Let's kill some dirt.